Hey yo, what's going on you guys? It is Fun Tube Aviation here, back at it again with another video, and today we're doing a huge video. Today we're doing a 9 model airplane haul. I just picked these up today from the airplane shop for Customer Appreciation Day down in Miami. But without further ado, let's go ahead and dive right on into this video. So I got 2 bags today. In total, came out to 9 models. It's like 450 bucks. So let's go ahead and get started. This is the first model. It is a United 757-200. It's the first model. Second model is this Eastern. Third model is this A321 Neo American. Fourth model is this Allegiant Airbus A319. And the fifth model and final model of this bag is this JetBlue A220-300. In the second bag, first model is this A321 Neo. Oh. The seventh model is this 747 from UPS, interactive series, so open doors, closed doors. Eighth model is this Khalita Air 747-400F with the mast livery. And the final model of this haul is this Emirates 777-300ER. Right on in with the first model, it's this JetBlue A220-300. So here's the front of the box. Here's the side of the box. Here's the back of the box. Here is the model. And here's the flap. Let's go ahead and crack this baby open. Here is the model. It is quite beautiful. This is a great addition to the airport and my overall collection. The JetBlue A321 is it's used quite often. Here's the bottom of the model. Super detailed, and it's a great model to open the haul with. Second model of this haul is the JetBlue A220-300. Here are the sides. Here's the back. Same box as the A321 Neo. It's the standard Gemini Jets box. Here's the model, and here's the flap. Let's go ahead and get this one cracked open. Here is the model. It's quite beautiful. This is my third A220. I have an Air Canada and a Delta. You guys should see those in the upcoming airport update. It's been quite a while since I've done one of those, so I'm super excited to do one. And that's the second model of this haul. These two are a great JetBlue expansion to my fleet. But let's go ahead and do the third one. And it's this Allegiant A319. This one is very important for one of these upcoming model airport projects that I have going on. But let's go ahead and do the sides. Allegiant is one of the airlines that gets a special one-off box. So This one is quite nice. I like the white colorway. It's pretty standard. Here's the back. Nothing much to it really. There's the model. And that's the flap. It's just about Allegiant. Let's go ahead and crack this baby open. This is my first Allegiant aircraft that I'm able to use for my airport. I had a MD-80 a while back. Here is the model. I love Allegiant's livery. Some hate it. I like it. I think it sticks out. You know what you're getting on when you get on it, but that's like the only good thing with low-cost carriers. The rest of it's pretty bad. But there's the model. It's very beautiful. And here's the bottom. Again, super detailed. Gemini Jets does a really, really good job with the 320 family. And that's a good third model. So we're gonna do the fourth model. Again, another Airbus, but here is the fourth model. It's American Airlines A321 Neo. But let's go ahead and get started. Here's the front of the box. This one has the 25th anniversary Gemini Jets logo, as you can see right there. But let's go ahead and do the sides. There are all the sides. Here's the back of the box. Here's the flap. Here's the model. And here's the flap. Standard Gemini Jets packaging. Let's go ahead and crack this one open. Here is the model. It is my third American 320, but it's my first American 320 Neo. Super excited to have this one in the fleet now. It's, I think, my third 321 Neo overall. Expecting to get 2 or 3 more with the new United 321 Neo coming out. But it is pretty beautiful. I flew this plane in 2022. I have a trip report coming out on that. It was a first class flight. It's a little late, but you know, better late than never. Here's the model. Again, same thing. It's just a different paint scheme from the 321 Neo back there of JetBlue's. And then there's the bottom. So that, I'm pretty sure, concludes our Airbus gauntlet. Now it's time to get on to the Boeing side of things with this Eastern 767-300. It's very beautiful. So here's the front. Here are the sides of the box. Here's the back. Here's the model. And here's the flap. Same thing as all the rest of the boxes except the Allegiant. Standard Gemini Jets packaging. I have to say that this is the most models I've ever bought at one time, but this is the most expensive I think models have ever been. I remember when you used to be able to get like away with 40 bucks for a 757 or like 40 bucks for a 737 instead of freaking 50 now. Here is the model. This paint scheme is absolutely beautiful, and it's also airline based in Miami. So 305 love, you know. Here's the bottom of the plane. Again, super high, super detailed. Per usual with Gemini Jets. Alright, let's do the United. here is the front of the box. And 757-200 in the new livery. Very excited about this one. This one is another huge addition to my United fleet. Here's the sides. Here's the back of the box. Again, another same standard Gemini Jets packaging. There's flap, and I mean there's the model and there's the flap. Same standard packaging, but by far, my humble opinion, the best looking airplane there is out there. I don't know what United does to their plane, but oh my gosh. The sharklets are just insanely beautiful. Here's the model. And here's the bottom. Again, sports car of the sky. Super, super beautiful. Great looking model. Super excited to have it in the collection. Well, let's go ahead and do the Emirates 777-300ER in the brand new livery. I was sitting waiting for this one, and I'm super glad I picked it up today. So yeah, they went back to like the old box where it used to be blue, kind of like this cloud pattern. It's like the old box before. But here's the front of the box. Here's the sides. I really, really like this new Emirates box. The Emirates box has always been nice, but I really like the plane on the side and the branding all around. Oh, yeah, and now they did this new thing where it's different, but that's what the back looks like. The back is the flap for Emirates, but it's insanely beautiful. It really is. I really like this model. The packaging as well. Let's go ahead and crack this baby open. Emirates is one of the few airlines that gets like a one-off box. Pretty much for every plane they design a new box. Whether it be special livery like the wildlife livery that I have, or the Dubai Expo livery that I also have. But here is the model. It's in the new Emirates livery. The new Emirates livery has like a more kind of detailed flag, I would say, on the back. I don't know why they did a refresh, but it looks nice. I like it. I mean, their livery was classic, and I don't think they would ever need to redo it, but here's the model. I'm pretty sure these are GE90s. Yeah, these are GE90s. Absolutely massive. Can't wait for the GE9Xs to come out. And then here is the bottom of the plane. Also can't wait for that 777X to finally take to the sky, so I can use that model as well. But let's go ahead and move on to the Khalita Air 747-400 in the masked livery. Here's the front of the box. Here are the sides. Here's the back. Here is the model, and there's the flap. Let's go ahead and crack this baby open. here is the model. It is really beautiful. The mass livery is just funny now, looking back on it in that 2020 chaotic year. But I'm gonna have the big man, Doug Khalita, the owner of Khalita Air, and the CEO, I'm pretty sure as well. I'm gonna have him sign this model, hopefully, when I go to see him drag race in the Gator Nationals. But yeah, there it is. And here is the bottom of the aircraft. It's nothing special, just again white, but insanely detailed. But that is running out of room here. But that is the Khalita 747. Let's go ahead and move on to the UPS 747. Here is the UPS 747-400. Let's just go ahead and get started. Here's the front of the box. Here's the sides. UPS is another one of those airlines that has special one-off boxes. The UPS one is pretty cool though. The blue, the brown, and the gold. I don't know if you could call that gold, actually. It's kind of just a lighter brown. Here's the back. It's pretty nice. I like the back. And here is the model. And then here's the flap. It's a new old style of the flap. Get a better look. So yeah, new old style of the flap. Pretty nice. Let's go ahead and crack this baby open. So you can see nose cone adapter, the 3 different cargo doors that are on each side. 1 cargo door is here, nose, and then you have the 2, one right there and one right there. Put a photo up on the screen of what it looks like when it's open doors. And yeah, guys, I think that will conclude the biggest haul I've ever bought. This is a true treat. I'm super excited that I finally was able to do Customer Appreciation Day down in Miami. I've been trying to for 7 years, and today is finally the day. But anyways, guys, thank you all so much for watching this video. I know this one was a super long one, but thank you guys for sticking with me. I'll see you guys next week for the first airport update I've done in way over 2 years. But anyways, thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. This is FunTube Aviation signing off.